Chalo, let me read the question once. Board is not clear. If A is equal to 60 degree, B is equal to 30 degree, then find the value of sin A plus B minus sin A cos B minus sin B cos A. Option A 1, option B 0, option C 2, option D 4. Second question, the value of sec 15 degree into sin 75 degree plus cosec 75 degree into cos 15 degree. Option A 2, B 4, C 1 by 2, D 3 by 2. Then you are given a triangle PQSR. Then Q is 90 degree, angle R is 60 degree, angle S is 30 degree. Then RS is 20 centimeter. Then the value of PQ is option A 47.23. Okay. 47.23, 74.32, 27.32, none of these. Next question, if 2 sin theta minus 1 into 1 minus sin theta is equal to 0, then the value of theta is 30 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, D, none of these. Okay, so solve this. 9th, B, 11. Chalo, get the answer first. Get the answer first. Get the answer first. First answer. Very good. What all the answer? So let us discuss. Send me the answer of first. Riddhi Singh B. B means 0. Anshu Patel B. Meet Rathod B. Raj Chawda B. Pratham Sethia B. Daivik B. Arvina Prajapati B. Satish Patel B. Aryan Patel B. Sarita Gupta B. Anushri Mishra B. Jay Gandhi B. Rishabh Gathani B. Rishabh Gathani B. Anjani Chaturvedi B. Sahil Purohit B. Meet Rathod, lock option B. Rudra Bagwe B. B means 0. When you put the value of 60 degree and 30 degree, 60 plus 30 will be 90. Sin 90 is 1. Minus sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Minus sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. So 1 minus, this will be 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Yes, it will be 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is minus 4 by 4. Are you getting? Minus 4 by 4, that will be 1 minus 4 by 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. The answer is 0. So option number B is the correct option. So send me the option of second. Today I will not give much more time. Satish Patel A. Satish Patel A. Chalo. Anushri Mishra A. Anshu Patel A. Meet Rathod A. Raj Chawda A. Riddhi Singh A. Rishabh Gathani A. Aryan Patel A. Pratham Sethia A. Tanvi Patel A. Jay Gandhi A. Chalo. Meet Rathod, lock option A. शुभम रोमन्ना A, Sarita Gupta A, Rudra Bagwe A, Anjani Chaturvedi A. A means option number 2. A means answer number 2. Okay, answer 2. Let us verify sec 15 degree and sine. So sec you can write 1 upon cos. Yes, sec you can write 1 upon cos, and cosec you can write 1 upon sine. So sec will be 1 upon cos, so that will be sine 75 degree upon cos 15 degree, plus cosec I can write 1 upon sine, so cos 15 degree into sine 75 degree. Now sine and cos, they are complementary angles. So sine you can fix cos 15 degree you can write sine, yes, cos 15 degree you can write sine 90 minus 15, that is 75. Then sine 75 degree you can write cos 90 minus 75, that is 15. Cos 15 get cancelled, sine 75 get cancelled, 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. So option number A is the correct option. Chalo, send me the answer of third. Satish Patel D, Rishabh Gathani D, Sarita Gupta D, Raj Chawda D, Meet Rathod D, Anshu Patel D, Rudra Bagwe D, Anushree Mishra D, Rishika Nandola D, Jay Gandhi D, Tanvi Patel D, Aryan Patel D, Jain Amit D. None of the answer out of A, B, C. Pratham Setia D, Arvinia Prajapati D. Okay. When you will simplify these, the answer of PQ comes 47.32. Yes, 47.32. And 47 point, this is 47.23. None of the answer 74. None of the answer 27. So with 47.32 is not there in any option A, B, C. So D is the correct option. PQ 17.32. Yes, what about other? 17.32. So this answer is not there in any one. So D is the correct option. Chalo, send me the answer of fourth today. Fourth, Satish Patel D, Riddhi Singh D, Raj Chawda D, Anshul Patel D, Jay Gandhi D, Meet Rathod D, Tanvi Patel D, Aryan Patel D, Rishabh Gathani D, Anjani Chaturvedi D, Sarita Gupta D, Arvinia Prajapati D, Anushree Mishra D, Pratham Setia D, Rishika Nandola D, Rudra Bagwe D. Yes. D means none of these, because when you will solve this, A into B is 0, that will give you A is 0 or B is 0. That will give you sin theta is half, sin theta is 1 by 2, or sin theta is equal to 1. So sin of which angle is 1 by 2, my dear? 30 degree. And sin of which angle is 190 degree. So 30 degree and 90 degree. 30 degree, 90 degree. None of these options. So option number D is the correct option. Okay. Option number D is the correct option, because 30 degree you want both 30 degree and 90 degree. 30 degree is there, but along with that 30 degree there should be 90 degree, and 30 degree 90 degree is none of the combination. So correct option is B. Correct option is B. Chalo, send me the answer of fifth. Anshu Patel C, Tanvi Patel C, Satish Patel C, Jay Gandhi C, Raj Chawda C, Meet Rathod C, Sarita Gupta C, Rishabh Gathani C, Riddhi Singh C. Okay, C means 0.8. Because whenever you will get this type, you consider 5.4 as A. So you will get A into AQ minus BQ upon A square plus AB plus B square. AQ minus BQ is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, and denominator you have A square plus AB plus B square. So numerator get cancelled with denominator. What is left? A minus B. A is 5.4, B is 4.6, 14 minus 6 is 8, 4 minus 4 is 0, answer is 0.8, which is your option number C. So C was the correct option. Okay. So in descriptive type of question, you have to solve the detailed solution. Second thing, the very important thing which I would like to share. All the students, their order of question will be different, and the answer will also be different. Okay, for example, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 students. So for question number 1, first question will be different and their option will be different. Second question, first question will be different, their answer will be different. Okay, so choice will be different, same answer will be there. So order of question and order of answer will be in different, random. So do not ask your friend this question which option. The same question may not be the question for next student, other student, and option will also be different. So don't depend on those type of things. Okay, so it is better you solve your own answer and get the answer. Is it clear, my dear? So I am just making alert. For each student, question will be different, their order of answer will also be different. The same question for roll number 1, the option will be A. The same question for roll number 2, option will be D. So if you ask what is the option, he will say A, but that may be not the option for you. That may not be the option for you. Okay? Chalo, do it. Sixth question. If x is 3 minus root 8, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is option A 32, B 34, C 36, D 38. Okay? So the seventh question. Seventh question. If x is, if 2 plus root 5 upon 2 minus root 5 is equal to A plus B root 5, then the value of A and B, and the values of A and B are okay. Option A is 4, B is 9, B, A is minus 4, B is minus 9. Option C, A is minus 4, C is 9, B is 9. And option D, A is 4, B is minus 9. Okay, we have enough time. So today we will do the fast revision. At least 10 problems we will cover. Today we will do the fast revision. Chalo. if a minus b is 0.9, if a minus b is 0.9, a minus b is 0.9 and ab is 0.36, ab is 0.36, 0.36, then the value of a plus b, then the value of a plus b is option A plus minus 1.2, B plus minus 1.4, yes बोलो plus B is coming -4. B is coming -4. Yes. चलो -9 comma -4. -9 comma 4. Do it. C is minus, D is plus minus 1.8. Ninth question. Ninth question. The sum of two number is 9. The sum of two number is 9. The sum of two number is 9. And the product is 20. Then sum of their cube is, sum of their cubes is A 157, B 156, C 159, D 158. Okay. 198 and D is 189. Good. Try to get the answer. Try to get the answer. Yes. Finish. Chalo, do it. Take 2 minute time. Take 2 minute time and we will discuss. 2 minutes time. Let me read the question. 6. If x is 3 minus root 8, then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is a 32, b 34, c 36, d 38. 7. If 2 plus root 5 upon 2 minus root 5 is a plus b root 5, then the value of a comma b are a is 4, b is 9, b a is minus 9, b is minus 4, c a is minus 9, b is 4, d a is 4, b is minus 9. 8th question. If a minus b is 0.9, ab is 0.36, then the value of a plus b is plus minus 1.2, plus minus 1.4, plus minus 1.5, plus minus 1.8. The sum of two numbers is 9, their product is 20, then sum of their cubes. Cubes means power 3. 157, 156, 198, 189. Or chalo, send me the answer. Send me the answer of 6th one. 6th answer option. Satish Patel B, Tanvi Patel B, Anshul Patel B, Sarita Gupta B, Jay Gandhi B, Rishabh Gathani B, Riddhi Singh B, Meet Rathod B, Raj Chavda B, Aryan Patel B, Anushree Mishra B. Yes. Arvina Prajapati B. Arvina Prajapati B. Okay. B means 34. Okay. So x is 3 minus root 8. Then you will find 1 upon x. Yes, what will be 1 upon x? 1 upon x will be 1 upon 3 minus root 8. When you will rationalize this, you will get 3 plus root 8. So what is x plus 1 upon x? Will be 6. So x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. X plus 1 upon x is 6. 6 square 36. 36 minus 2, 34. 34 is the answer. Yes, is it clear everybody? Or any doubt? Clear? Okay. So first option is 34. Chalo, send me the answer of 7th. Riddhi Singh B, Sarita Gupta B, Satish Patel B, Meet Rathod B. Yes, any more student? Tanvi Patel B, Neil B, Raj Chavda B, Anshul Patel B, Rishabh Gathani B. Yes, Arya Gorule, your answer is not coming. Aryan Patel B, Heath Goti B, Anushree Mishra B. Okay, B means A is minus 9, B is minus 4. So let us see 2 plus root 5 upon 2 minus root 5. When you will rationalize the denominator, you will get 2 plus root 5 square, that is 4 plus 4 root 5 plus root 5 square is 5 upon 4 minus 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 4 root 5, 5 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus sign you can take this, minus 9 minus 4 root 5. When you will compare, A is equal to minus 9 and B is equal to minus 4. So A is equal to minus 9, B is equal to minus 4 is your option number B. B is the correct option. B is the correct option. Okay. So this time we want more participants, but participants' answer is not going up. Maximum it is 10 to 11. Let us see the other performance in the examination, what they are doing. Again I am telling you, my dear, for each student, order of the question will be different, their option will be different. Okay, so do not depend on your friend. Chalo, send me the answer of 8. Satish Patel C. Okay. Rishabh Gathani C, Raj Chavda C, Sarita Gupta C, Neil C, Anushree Mishra C, Anshu Patel C, Jay Gandhi C, Alex Sagar C, yes Alex C, Aryan Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Chalo, C means plus minus 1.5. Let us verify this answer. So you are given a minus b, you want to find a plus b. So which formula? A minus b and a plus b, which formula? Yes? Huh. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. A plus b we have to find. A minus b is given 0.9, so 0.9 square is equal to 4 into AB, AB is 0.36. So A plus B whole square is minus 0.81 is equal to 4 6 are 24, 4, then 1. So A plus B whole square is 1.44 minus plus 0.81 will be 2.25. So A plus B is square root of 2.25. Square root of 2.25. We know that 225 is square of 15. So A plus B will be 1.5 into 1.5 square root. So A plus B will be plus minus 1.5. Okay. Option number C, plus minus 1.5 is the correct option. Option C, plus minus 1.5 is the correct option. Okay. So again I am telling you that next year you will be in 10th. Board may ask your 9th standard marks also. So try to score good marks in all the subjects. Otherwise your 10th standard percentage will come down. Okay. 9th one. Chalo, send me the answer of 9th. Satish Patel D, 189. Riddhi Singh D, Jay Gandhi D, Anshul Patel D, Meet Rathod D, Sarita Gupta D, Raj Chavda D, Rishabh Gathani D, Anushree Mishra D. Okay. Anushree Mishra D. D. Sum of two number means let us take x plus y is 9. Their product is 20. Xy is 20. Then find sum of their cube. Cube means x cube plus y cube. What is the formula for x cube plus y cube? Yes, direct formula. X plus y whole cube. And I have told you whenever inside bracket it is plus, outside it will be minus. 3xy into x plus y. Inside bracket plus, outside minus. So x plus y is given 9, 9 cube. Minus 3 into xy is 20 into x plus y is 9. 9 cube, 981. That will be 729. Minus 20 into 360, 540. 9 minus 0, 9. 12 minus 4, 8. 6 minus 5, 1. Answer is 189. X cube plus y cube is 189. Which option? D option. Option number D, 189. Option number D, 189. Okay. So now we stop here. We will see few more revision in the 6th period. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye. Yes.